Alrighty, YouTubers, today is Friday the 28th. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. Back to school for you guys. You guys get one at low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below. And if there's a description code, it'll be in the middle. And see what other goodies they have to offer. Let's see what they sent us. I'm not sure what this is. Saying fulfillment center, so it might be 2 orders in here. Yeah, it's 2 separate. Alright. So, first one up. Bluetooth, that one. And Bluetooth, there we go, speaker TV. Sure what this is coming from. Doesn't really say anything in my invoices, nothing, but it'll be all corrected in the title, so definitely check it out. See what other goodies they have to offer. Get one of these at a low cost. And let's see what it is. Holy smokes. This is tiny. Look. It's one of the QI chargers. What was it by? Quick Start Guide, a wireless Bluetooth transceiver for 1 or 2 Bluetooth audio receivers. And transmitter. There's that piece right there. So you turn anything you want into a Bluetooth. So like speakers from back in the day, you can pop this in. USB. Let's see what else. There we go. We got the audio, and this one for the 3.5 jack. You can disconnect like that. Plug these 2 in like so. I just have nothing old school that I need to turn into right now. And then here's a back RX TX, and I got a sticky note. Nope, no sticky note. USB to charge. Plug it in. Simple as that. And you guys will get one at low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below. Check them out. I'll see if I can charge it. Maybe at least I can do that. Go on the computer to my other side, and of course it's gonna make me take all these off. Let's see if I can do this quick for you guys. Kind of in a rush today. Sorry for the late video, but one of those Fridays, you know. There we go. One and done. I might have a couple more to go today, so bear with me on these. There's my USB hub to charge stuff. So I can turn my tablet into Bluetooth, which it's already Bluetooth. But you know what I'm saying. Any objects you want. Come on. There we go. Plug that in there. Connect it up to this thing right here, to this USB port. Somehow, come on. I think I'm coming down with the flu. Oh, it's a fun time around this year. See, it's charging right now. See the red dots on. I have nothing that I could turn a Bluetooth into to show you guys. But, I mean, I'm sure you guys seen them before. Really easy to use. Hooks up in seconds. Connect it to your Bluetooth right there, that thing. And then the audio jacks. And then you just plug it into your, like this. I don't know if it'll work like this. Let's see. Okay. Here we switched it. There's that. Nothing on there. Ah, there we go. Now it's going to read it. We'll put it on TX. I think it's supposed to be on this one. TX. Come on. Come on, fingers. There you go. And then Well, it did. All right. It worked. Cool. So there you have it. Check them out. Bluetooth transmitter receiver. Get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below. Easiest setup, and connect any devices you want to make it Bluetooth. Awesome stuff. All right, YouTubers, be safe. Have a great weekend, and see you.